Our composite shutters offer the look and feel of wood shutters, but offer more durability and weatherability. These shutters are made out of an MDF material called Extira, using the finest American craftsmanship. Our composite shutters are perfect for decorative installations. The composite shutters come in 5 different styles, including closed louver, raised panel, flat panel, board-and-batten, or framed board-and-batten. Each style is available in a straight top in 10 different configurations. These shutters are available in any width 10 inches and up in 1/4 inch increments, and any length 20 inches and up in 1/4 inch increments. Our composite shutters are great for painting. All composite shutters can be made with a natural, primed, or painted finish. Painting is available with our 19 standard colors or any custom color. Just supply us with the manufacturer's paint name and color number, and your shutters can be truly unique. Composite shutters can be installed on any surface using our fixed mounting brackets. Plastic fixed mounting brackets are included with the purchase of any composite shutters. Metal fixed mounting brackets are available for an additional cost, whether you're looking to finish the look of your new home or trying to add some curb appeal to your current home. Our composite shutters are a great choice at a great price. Perfect Shutters, your one-stop shop for, well, perfect shutters.